welcome back to Data Leaps. In today's video, we're going to go through how to build a streamlit quiz app and deploy it on Databricks Lakehouse apps. Now, in a previous video, my coworker Daniel came to the channel and showed how to deploy a Dino game app on Lakehouse apps using Flask. I will link the video on the top right corner in case you're interested in checking that out. Recently, I had to do a Databricks Christmas quiz for a customer, and I thought instead of using Kahoot, I was going to build a Lakehouse app using Streamlit and let customers test out their Databricks knowledge using streamlits on Databricks. And here's how it's done. So here I am in the VS Code, and I've got a folder that says Christmas quiz. In there, I got a few different files. The first has requirements. So what we're going to need is streamlit and stream_book. Streamlit book basically lets you do Q&As really easily. And then we got an answers.csv file. Basically, Streamlit book will store the questions and answers results to answers.csv in the temp folder. So in the main file, what we have is importing Streamlit, importing Streamlit book, and then set page configuration. What we need to have is a title. So in this case, the title is Welcome to Databricks Christmas Quiz. And then we've got to have user ID so we know who filled out this Christmas quiz. So we're going to store user ID in the session state. And then we will have a form, basically assign whatever user input as the name to the user ID. And then we'll submit the form. And the rest of it is basically just Streamlit books does its job to have like the question, the answer, and what the correct answer is. And the behavior here is if the question is answered correctly, it will say correct answer. And if the question is answered wrongly, it will say wrong answer. You can also customize the correct answer response or the wrong answer response if you want to. So let's see how this runs on my local computer. What you need to do is to do streamlit run and then the Python file that has the code in it. And you can see the local host. This is what the app actually does. So I just need to put in a name. I will submit. So the session states know which user I am. And then if I just answer the questions, I'm not entirely sure what the answer is. I will answer it wrong and it will tell me wrong answer. But if I answer the question correctly, it will give me the correct answer. So this is a really, really quick quiz app that you can make using Streamlit and Streamlit book. You can also improve it by having a leaderboard, for instance, because your data is stored in a CSV. You can process it however you want. You can cache the data as well. Depending on what you want to do with the quiz results, you can make different type of improvement to it. And now let's take a look at how to deploy it on Databricks Lakehouse apps. So I'm in Databricks, and what I'm going to do is to create a new app. And you can do a template, or you can do a custom app. Since we already have the code, we're going to do a custom app. We need to give it a name. And then we'll create the app. Now the compute will start and it will take a little while for the compute to be ready before you can deploy the app. Those typically it will take a couple minutes. And the service principal here is used if you want to hook your app up to the Databricks backend. For instance, if I want to dump the quiz results into Databricks, I'm going to have to use that service principal. Okay, so now that the computer is ready, we need to deploy the app. What we can do is to click on the deployment button on the top right, and it will point the source code path to the code that we've written and upload it to the workspace. You can also upload your code to GitHub and then use the repos feature within Databricks, basically point it to a GitHub repo. In this case, we just upload it to our workspace in my folder, and I just need to point it to that particular app. At that level, do the select and then do the deployment. You can see that it's deployed, so I can go to my URL. And this is running just like how it's running on my local machine, so I can do my quiz correctly. That's it. That's a very simple version of Streamlit Quiz and how it can be deployed on Databricks using a few clicks. If you're interested in other new features in Databricks, please comment to let me know. Thank you for watching Data Leaps. If you think the content is useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it.